Agents, I asked you to come here today for an emergency conference. Last Saturday, my office received an anonymous bomb threat. According to the letter, nano-sized time bombs have been inserted into oil storage tanks in Sendai City. To prevent this terrorist attack, we must come up with some countermeasures immediately.
Agent B, I and Agent M here got the idea to stop the terrorism.
Really? Are you sure that we need a single molecular computing system in order to stop bombs?
Don't worry, we have an idea of a system which can compete with one molecule. This is a novel intramolecular computing system built on a DNA origami. The origami is composed of a 6-helix bundle and side chains. The 6-helix bundle serves as a base structure for the computation, and the side chain serves as a domino which carry information for computation.
Fine. Continue your explanation.
To control the system, we need to consider about the Brownian motion. Before reaction, a single-stranded DNA, which I named the holder, is attached to the domino to limit motion. And this is the releaser which I attached on the horizontal part at the beginning. The reaction progresses from left to right. When the initiator strand is appeared, holder will be cut down, and displacement of this strand releases the first domino. Then, the releaser of the first domino becomes able to hybridize with the holder of the next domino, which makes the recognition site for a restriction enzyme. Followed by a cleavage of the holder, this chain reaction will be continued until the last domino, and this is how domino effect is produced.
Does this structure really work? I can see tiles falling down, but I cannot see the relationship with a computing system from this.
Okay, this is a figure dominoes are arranged on each side of the hexagonal base. Do you know what making 6 linings mean?
You propose having 6 domino effects at the same time, right?
Yes, it is true. However, it also means possibility of creating more complicated logic circuits by using several dominoes.
How? Please explain.
Firstly, AND gate. As we can see here, this domino can only be triggered when both domino at the front is released, which is exactly the same as the function of AND gate. Similarly, OR gate is achieved by designing a holder that can react with both releaser of the former dominoes. In this figure, both domino at the front have the releaser that can completely react with the hold of the following domino, thus become the OR gate. By utilizing these circuits, a set of logic gates can be implemented on a single molecule. This method enables us to execute complicated computation in open environment.
Wonderful. Put this into production as soon as possible. This system might have a chance of stopping the attack, but it could also change the course of technological development in the future.